See, for this particular question, okay, we had just find what the common difference. The formula is D is equal to B minus A. B is the last term, 31, and A is the first term, that is 1, by M plus 1. M is already given in the options. M is what? 10, 12, 14, 16. We'll use the process of elimination. The process of elimination. Elimination means I'll be eliminating from the option. What is D? D is my common difference. Common difference answer. See, for example, between arithmetic mean 1 and 31, I'm inserting what? Some terms 1, 3, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, then 11, 13, 15, so on, up to 31, right? Up to 31. The first, what is my B? My B is 31. My A is what? What is my A? 1. So 31 minus 1, 30. 30 by M plus 1. What is my M plus 1? From the option. From the option, I'm taking the M values. From the option, I'm taking M values. And I should not get any fractions. Okay. So what is it? Again, I'll use the help of Roshni. Roshni, tell me the first one. What is the answer? B minus A. B minus A is what?
30.
30 by
30.
30 by 30 now.
For the
Option A, if I'm putting M value. 30 by 11, right?
okay, 11.
Next
Yeah.
option. 30 by
30 by 30.
30 by 13, right? Yeah. Next one.
Yeah. 13, 30 by 15.
That is 2. Common difference 2. Next one.
Yeah. 30 by 17.
That's it. So now tell me which is the correct answer.
Third one.
Correct. Pavan, is it clear now for you? So guys, suppose if you don't understand, and especially to the students who are attending online, without fear, please let me know. Yeah. Kritika, did you understand? Superb. Then fine. Note down, everyone note it down, and once done, let me know. Because only once I went down, Pavan told me. Huh? So he didn't understand what is the D. Okay, D is the common difference because here a lot of things will take in the online class. I will also assume that you know. Okay. But I had attended a lot of online sessions personally when I was in IIM. So I want to just remove all the what negative things what the teachers there has not done here. Okay, because there we are all matured guys and you guys are pretty small. So I have to make sure that you should know a technique of eliminating the options. Okay, and guys, trust me, if it is a 9 hour, it's a 1.5 hour, 2 hour, no, we have to show some interest, then only we will get the rank. You get into the best college, good people will be there with you. Okay, good people will be there. That is our main important strength. Good people will surround you and good people will be there to discuss about ideas. That is the good part. Good network you can build. But that is if you are only a extrovert. But if you're introvert, then you can't build any network. That is also is there. Okay. We have to go and get the things. Second thing is, whatever college we get through the rank, kindly choose that college. Okay, if you're not getting the top college, it's of completely fine. But end of the day, every college, in the sense, if you're in the college, as I think after next year or after that, so that time, every teacher has to identify, okay, this student is there. For example, if a Roshni is there, okay, she should get appreciated. Then only she will grow. Then only she'll have the trust on herself, and then only she will be able to take decisions on her own. Okay, and every student also should believe that, okay, if I go to Roshni, things will get cleared. Then only it will work out. Then only that confidence will get done. Okay. Yeah, so do the next. This will take some time. Okay. Yeah. Geometric mean is nothing but root AB. I think it was there in class 10th also, if I'm not wrong. I think you should know that. Arithmetic mean I just now told. So you just choose any convenient numbers for you and do it. That's it. So just choose simplest AP here, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. You will get everything. Just use simplest AP, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. You'll get everything. Then substitute in this, you will get it. Between two numbers A and B, A1 and B4. A is 1 and B is 4. Root AB. Root AB meaning root of 1 into 4, 2. That's it. Geometric mean is 2 only. Geometric mean is 2. So this G is equal to 2. What is my P and Q? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is my P and 3 is my Q. That's all. Substitute everything and get me the answer fast. So basically this is A comma P comma Q comma B. That's it. Okay. I already got the answers here. Everyone tell me what is the answer. Not only I think already Aryan and Kritika has told me the options. Just substitute. Geometric mean root AB. That's it. Just use simple thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. All of those things you do it. Simple thing you do. Nitin. Okay, good. Aryan also told me the answer. Roshni, did you understand this thing?
I understood.
Geometric mean is okay. Root AB. There is
Yeah,
nothing
understood.
but my G. Okay, there is nothing but my G. There is only this G. I think others, let me see the Pavan. Did you understand? Saurav. Saurav, if you didn't understand, let me know now only. Pavan and Saurav. Okay, okay, fine. Didn't understand. Simple only. This is geometric mean is root AB. I hope you should know that formula. Root AB. Correct. So I'll take a simple equation 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4. Just now only I told about arithmetic mean, right? So 1 plus 3 by this will definitely give me the two arithmetic mean. This is my P and this is my Q. Up to this you understood? Pavan? If no, you please tell me no. Saurav? Yes, okay. Pavan, if it is no, please tell me no. How? Pavan, can you just unmute?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
So Pavan, 1, 2, 3, 4, I took that. You understood how?
No, sir.
No, that is simplest typing. Just like we can take, right? 2 comma 4 comma 6 comma 8. So I just took the simplest AP. So arithmetic mean means you understood, no? Between 1 and 3. 1 plus 3 by 2 is what, Pavan?
Sir, 2, sir.
2. So I wrote 2. Between 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 by 2 is what?
Sir, 4.
Okay. 2 plus 4 by 2 is 4 only.
Yes, sir.
2 plus 4 by 2.
Yes, sir, it is 4.
2 plus 4 by 2. 6 by 2 is what?
Okay. Whole divided by 2, sir.
Whole divided by 2.
Okay.
Because I am
Yeah,
what,
sir.
what I'm
It's
choosing?
3.
Arithmetic mean. Correct. 3. So I inserted this thing. So geometric mean means what? What is geometric mean? Root AB. What is my A value? 1. What is my B value? 4.
4.
Because read the question. What the GM is G and 2 arithmetic means. So that's a simple reason I took 1, 2, 3, 4. If I want, I can take 1, 2, 3, 5, 7 also. If I want, I can take. It's up to me. Last problem also we did 1, 3, 5, 7, right?
Yes,
Under
sir.
yeah. So I just took a simpler one. Now geometric means root AB. Root AB, what is the answer?
2, sir.
Correct. 2. So that is nothing but my G. Correct. What is my P
Yes.
and Q? The
2
two
and
arithmetic
3.
means are P and Q. What is arithmetic
Okay.
mean just now you told? 2 and 3. So P is my 2 and Q is my 3. Understood, Pavan, now?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Very happy. Please do this stuff. Please do this. You can mute now. Yeah. Please do this. Yeah. And then let me know. Saurav, you also do it now? Yeah. Okay, superb, superb. Very good. Sorry, did you get the answer? Doing. Okay, okay. Do it. Any doubts in the problems what are discussed as of now to anyone? I'll share the PDF also with you guys. Who has not the who has not got the PDF, let me know. Just give me 2 minutes, I'm sharing to everyone after that. Yeah. B, very good, sir. Superb. So B is the right option for this. Good. So that's it then for today's class. Okay, rest of there are a lot of questions. I will do it personally. If you want, you can try it at home. But most of the questions, let me just do that. That will be much more easier for you. Okay, fine then. Thank you and bye bye. Yeah. And yeah, let me just. Darshini, just stay back.